Welcome back, everybody. Today we are checking in at the Grand Floridian here in Walt Disney World, but Disney just announced that on check-in day, you can access Blizzard Beach Water Park for free. Or Typhoon? Well, the water park, whichever one is open, Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon. Either way, today we're checking in, so we're getting access to the Blizzard Beach Water Park for free. Let's go check it out. All right, we made it. We're in. Now it is about noon, so we're gonna go eat. So we decided to do Lottawatta Lodge here in Blizzard Beach because it really was the only one that had the substance that we wanted. But we got some cheeseburgers and some loaded beef nachos. It's really nice in here. There's plenty of seating, nice big shaded area with fans. Love that. And we mobile ordered. Amanda's gonna go get our food. So we spent $41. We got a refillable cup, which is actually pretty sweet. It's unlimited refills? Unlimited refills all day long, one calendar day. So make that distinction. But great value for money. We got Powerade and they have plenty of drink stations throughout the park. So that's awesome. The loaded beef nachos really look actually amazing. Hearty, much larger than I expected from Disney. And then the cheeseburger and fries looks delectable. So all in all, I think the value is definitely there, but the flavor, who knows? That's delicious. Oh yeah, I definitely would get these again. We have finished lunch. In complete transparency, this is my first time here at Blizzard Beach, so I don't really know what to expect. The theming of it is like a ski lodge resort style. To me, it kind of feels like an Austrian ski lodge. It's a beautiful, beautiful park. So let's go check it out. Blizzard Beach is essentially broken out into two different areas. The first area being Mount Gushmore, that's that big mountain in the center of the park, and it's got all your slides and your body slides. That's the premier place to go and get your rides done. But the first level of Blizzard Beach is where your wave pool, your lazy rivers, all of your kids areas, the majority of all the food, that's where your lockers are. So let's check out the lower level first. The foliage throughout this park is really impressive. Disney does a really good job of hiding things in plain sight, and it really feels that way here. When you're walking through, you feel really secluded, and then boom, all of a sudden you're in a big open area. So I think that's really, really nice. So far, we've just kind of been walking around the park, figuring out what we want to do, if we actually do want to get in the water, or if we want to just take it in and relax until our room is ready here at the Grand Floridian. So we're still deciding, but this park is gorgeous. It's really awesome that Disney allows its resort guests the day of check-in to come to one of the water parks and just hang out for the day, because there have been numerous times where Amanda and I have gone to check in and then we have to figure out what to do with our extra time while we wait for our room. So thank you, Disney, for giving us this. That's really, really awesome. I think it's time we take a ride up to the top of Mount Gushmore and we go down some of these slides because they look awesome. We finally made it up to the top. It was about a 5-minute ride on the lift, and this place is beautiful. The views up here are incredible and the foliage follows it all the way up. I love it. Let's go down a slide. After we rode the downhill double dipper slide, we were starting to run out of time, so we decided to stay in the lazy river for a little bit and just soak in the vibes of this place. Well, guys, we just got the word that our resort is ready, and we have some really cool dinner plans and some really cool future videos coming up. So that ends our day here at Blizzard Beach. I have a few thoughts. I can see why they're letting people in for free. I think the theming is great. The rides are actually fairly good. The lazy river was really fun, but it does need some updating. The chairs seem like they're dated. The buildings kind of seem dated. Take it for what it is, but it did save us like $70 a person today just by getting in for free. So I think that's an incredible value for money. Thank you, Disney. This is an awesome addition, and I surely hope that this stays around because this is something that is really neat for a lot of families. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.